screen you have fil hadal kitabi, fi hadal kitabi, okay, fi hadal kitabi, okay, ishruna darsan. So fi harf jar, hadha ism majrur, al kitabi badal. Where is our khabar? Ishruna. And is it marfu? Yes. What is the sign of its marfu? Wow. Why? Because it is on the pattern of Jama Muzakkar Salim. Inshallah, slowly we will learn. We haven't done this in detail. We will do it in detail in book 3 also. Very good. Now, Sister Maimuna. Masha. Fis sanati ithna ashara shahran. In the year there are 12 months. So fis sanati jar majrur shibu jumla khabar, and then is mubtada and shahran is tamiz. MashaAllah. Excellent. Okay, brothers and sisters. Now we come to here. We have to remember one thing. Do you see what I wrote, brother and sister? In English, we have two kinds of numbers. Cardinal numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth. In also Urdu, we say 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we say pehla, dusra, tisra. So these are the different. Okay? And in Arabic also, we have the same thing. Okay. Now, when you have ordinal numbers in Arabic, they are on the pattern of what is the pattern? I think I heard this somewhere. Which is our subject. But the pattern is fa'ilun, okay, which we have been studying as a subject of the verb. Okay. Also, fa'ilun, brother and sister, okay, we say doer of the action, remember, subject, doer of the action, subject. Okay. Now, since we are doing this, I want to also tell you that in English, brothers and sisters, we have writer. Write. In English, we have write, and then we have writer, the one who writes. Ride, and then rider. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So by adding ER, we get the person who does the doing of action of writing. How do we do in Arabic? It is on the pattern of fa'ilun. It's very easy, brother and sister. If I tell you nasara, make ism fa'il from there. Nasir. You know it, already you know it. Okay? If I say to you, Katala, Qatilun, you know it. So what is Qatilun? Is ism fa'il. Is the one who does the killing. Okay? If I say Dakhala, Dakhil, one who enters. If I say Sajada, Sajidun. Okay? See, it's very easy. We didn't want to do it in the beginning. but now we are ready for it, okay? And in your forms of conjugation, in the bottom, there is a column, ism fa'il. You will write down, have you got a form, conjugation form? Take it out, brothers and sisters. What is in your right-hand corner, in the bottom? Ism fa'il. What verb did you do, Sister Hafza? Zahaba. What will be the ism fa'il of Zahaba? Zahibun. What is the meaning of Zahibun? The one who goes. Are you with me? Okay, brothers and sisters. Here is a verb, Jalasa. You know what Jalisun means? The one who is sitting. Al-Mudarisu, Jalisun. So what is Jalisun? It is ism fa'il. The noun is made on the pattern of ism fa'il. Okay? Which is fa'ilun. Okay? Here, brothers and sisters, Daraba, Daribun. Ghadiba, Ghadibun. It's very easy. Akala, Akilun. Shariba, Sharibun. Okay? Raka'a, Raki'un. Samiya, Samiun. Fahima, Fahimun. See, it becomes so easy. And it's so beautiful. So that is also ism fa'il. Now the numbers from 2 to 10, in ordinal numbers, they are on the pattern of fa'ilun. Except number 1. In cardinal numbers, number 1 is wahid. But in ordinal, the number is awwal. Al-awwalu. What is al-awwalu? Will be first. Are you with me? Wahid will be here, cardinal. Okay? And then number 2, which is isnani, here it becomes on the pattern of fa'ilun, it becomes saniyun. What is it? Now this is again a different kind of a noun. Yesterday we did a little bit of it, if you remember. Ghaliyun. Are you with me? What happened to Ghaliyun? It became Ghalin. It became Ghalin. So Saniyun will become Sanin. Now Ghalin. Now if you put Alif Lam in front of it, then this Ya becomes visible. As-Sani. Okay, what is it? As-Sani. Put on Galin, Alif Lam, Al-Gali. You do not pronounce Al-Gali, but you say Al-Gali. Okay, brother and sister? We are going to do this in detail in book 3. So do not be too much stressed if you forget or if you don't understand. Do not be stressed, brother. Okay? Take it easy. We are going to do this again and again. The only thing is, number 1 is al-awwalu. Okay? Al-awwalu. Are you with me? And that is mudhakkar. So what is the muannas of awwalu? Al-ula. All comes in the Quran. Al-ula. What is al-ula? Muannas of awwal. Are you with me? Al-ula. Al-ula. Muannas of awwal. It is given in the your key also. But right now, brothers and sisters, we have to concentrate on fa'ilun. Okay? So I write here al-awwalu, and then muannas is al-ula. La. These are all given in the key and beautifully explained, brothers and sisters. So number 2, Athani. We are putting Alif Lam there. Athani. Are you listening to me, brothers and sisters? Time is flying. Time seems to fly. Thani. Athani. Make it into muannas. Athaniyatu. I will do Athaniyatu. Athaniyatu. Remember Galiyatu? Athaniyatu. Fine. And then number 3 is Salasa. It will become Salithu. Arba'u will become Arrabi'u. Khamsu will become Al-Khamisu. The pattern is Fa'ilun. So it's easy. Sittatu will become As-Sadisu. Okay? And Saba'u will become As-Sabi'u. And Samaniya will become As-Samani or As-Samaniyatu. As-Samani or it will become As-Samaniyatu. Fine. And then Tis'atu will become At-Tasi'u. And Asharatu will become Al-Ashiru. Are you with me? So pattern is here. Salathu or Salasatu, the ordinal will become As-Salithu or As-Salisatu. If you make it muannas. It's not difficult. Just write it down slowly at home. Right now, brothers and sisters, we will practice a little bit. But I think let us have a break, because we won't be able to finish this. Let's have a short break, and then we will continue. Okay, brothers and sisters, we are back from our tea break. We'll continue number 10. Read it slowly. Ad-Darsu Awwalu. Are you with me? What is the translation? The first lesson. Ad-Darsu Thani. Second lesson. Ad-Darsu Thalithu. Third lesson. Ad-Darsu Rabi'u. Fourth. Ad-Darsu Khamisu. Ad-Darsu Sadithu. Ad-Darsu Sadisu. Ad-Darsu Sabi'u. Ad-Darsu Thaminu. Ad-Darsu Tasi'u. And Ad-Darsul Ashiru. Now you understand this, inshallah. You should not have any difficulties. All these numbers are on the pattern of Fa'ilun, except for number 1. Okay? And how do you make number 2 into muannas? You will say Ad-Darsu Saniyatu. Number 3, Ad-Darsu Salithatu. Number 4, Ad-Darsu Rabi'atu. Rabi'atu. Number 5, Ad-Darsu Khamisatu. Number 6, Ad-Darsu Sadisatu. Number 7, Ad-Darsu Sabi'atu. Number 8, Ad-Darsu Saminatu. Saminatu. Ad-Darsu Saminatu. No, Saminatu. Samani, because it is on the wazn of Fa'ilun. Saminun, Saminatu. No, then is Samaniya is then the cardinal number, not ordinal number. Are you with me, brothers? So it will become, number 8 will become Ad-Darsu Saminatu. Number 9, Ad-Darsu Tasiyatu. Ad-Darsu Tasiyatu. And number 10 will become, no, we won't say Darsu, of course, because Darsu is Mudhakkar. Are you with me? I won't say Darsu. I will say something else. Maybe we will count watches. As-Sa'atu, As-Sa'atu, Ashiratu. Yes. The relationship is of Naat Manut. Huh? The relationship is of Naat Manut. Yeah, okay. So, I will do it again, brother and sister. Now, if you do it muannas, okay, then it will become Athaniyatu. Are you with me? Huh? Number 3, make it muannas. Athalithatu. And then number 4, Al-Rabi'atu. Number 5, Al-Khamisatu. Number 6, As-Sadisatu. Number 7, As-Sabi'atu. Number 8, Al-Thaminatu. Number 9, At-Tasiyatu. Number 10, Al-Ashiratu. Got the idea? Inshallah. Now we do the exercise. This is a very beautiful exercise. We must all do it. Huh? Remember, they are all Naat Manut. Okay? Now, you will find here that the adad is given. Adad is given in the form of numbers. We have to transfer it in the form of letters, harf, okay? But they should be all ordinal numbers, okay, brothers and sisters? So what will be al-yawmu, and what is number 8? Al-yawmu al-thaminu. So what is al-thaminu? Is a naat. Are you with me? You are just making naat out of the numbers. You are making naat out of the numbers. So make adjective naat for the following nouns. Okay? Now the second word is at-talibu. What will you say? At-talibu? Salisu. How will you translate them? Third student, not 3 students. Third student. And when you say ayyamu thaminu, 8th day. Remember 8th day. You got to understand this. We are doing ordinal numbers. Okay? Ad-darsul ashiru. Ad-darsul ashiru. Ad-darsul ashiru. Translation? 10th lesson. Now comes as-safahatu. Remember, it is muannas. As-safahatu. Ta'asiyatu. How will you translate, brother Saeed? 9th page. 9th page. 9th page. Page. Very good. Brother Abdul Samad. Al-juz'u. Al-juz'ul awwalu. First juz. Very good. Brother Hassan. Fis sanati. Fi came, brother. Rabiati, because it is not. Fis sanati rabiati. How will you translate? Fi in the 4th year. What will you say? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? In the 4th year. Very good. Brother Muhammad.
At-talibatu.
Talibat.
Talibatu as-sadisatu.
As-sadisatu. MashaAllah. Excellent. How will you translate?
The 6th
girl student. Very good. Female student. So Salima, very loudly. Al-baytu. Al-baytu as-sabiu. MashaAllah. How will you translate? 7th house. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. And Sister Aisha. Al-ghurfatu khamisatu. How will you translate? The 5th room. The 5th room. Okay, Sister Maimuna. Al-judhu thani. Al-judhu al-thani. Al-judhu thani. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah. Do you want me to write it on the board? Or you are okay? You can manage it, inshallah. Okay, write it at home, and besides, in the column, write the translation. For example, Al-Yawmu Thaminu, you will say 8th day. And then you will say 3rd student. And you will say 10th lesson. And then you will say 9th page. And you will say 1st juz. Okay? In the 4th year, then 6th female student, 7th house, 5th room, and 2nd juz. Got the idea? Inshallah. Now we have to get also familiar with the use of bala. More is coming in 6th lesson. The use of bala. And it is in the Quran also. Brother and sister. As I said to you briefly yesterday, if you are asked a question in negation, and then if the answer is in affirmation, then you will use it. If I tell you, are you not a student? What will you say in English? Of course I am. Are you with me? Of course I am a student. Okay. Now bala is not, the literal translation is not of course, Bala comes as an answer to a question. Like naam and la, we answer. But if the question is in negation, and your answer is in agree with that, then you will say bala. Are you with me? For example, alaysa kazalik, then you will say bala. Okay. For example, anta min al Hind, laysa kazalik, bala, ana min al Hind. Are you with me? Anti min al Hindi, alaysa kazalik, isn't that so? What will you say? Bala, ana min al Hind. Anta maridun, alaysa kazalik, bala. If you are sick, then you will say, yes, bala, ana maridun. Okay. This is what we have to understand, Anti Hafsa, anti talibatun jadidatun. Alaysa kazalik? Bala. Ana talibatun jadidatun. Sahih, like that. Sister Abir, anti min al Hind. Alaysa kazalik? Bala, ana min. Sumayya, anti min Somalia. Alaysa kazalik? Bala. That is your answer will come. Okay? Okay. Sister Faiza, anti min Pakistan. Alaysa kazalik? Bala, min Pakistan. Like that, inshallah. So you get the idea, brothers and sisters, inshallah. The third one is ayyuhuma. Which one of the two? Okay? Ayyuhuma. Hadani talibani. What is the meaning of this? Hadani talibani. Ayyuhuma atwalu. Which of the two of them is taller? Okay. Hadani kitabani. These are two books. Hadani mubtada, kitabani khabar. Ayyuhuma ajmalu. Which one of the two is more beautiful? Okay. If I say Hadani baitani, what did I say? Hadani baitani. Ayyuhuma ajmalu. Ayyuhuma arkhasu. Which of them is cheaper? Are you with me? Hatani sayaratani. These are two cars. Ayyuhuma aqdamu. which one of them is older. So this is how you will use ayyuhuma. Are you with me? The meaning of ayyuhuma, inshallah you understand. But al-kalimatul jadidatu, mahaja'un is hostel. Mahajio, on what pattern is this, brothers and sisters? Mafailu. Give me another very common example of mafailu. Masajidu. Just keep that pattern in your mind. Kaukabun, planet. Kawakibu, same pattern. Mafailu. Wasiun, spacious. Farikun, team. Team, huh? Like cricket team, football team, soccer team. Farikun, jama, furakau. What is the pattern, brother and sister? Fu'alau, zumalau, ulamau. Okay? Shakikun, ashikkau. Ashikkau, what is the pattern? Afa'ilau. Ashikkau matches atibbau. What is matches? What does it match to? Atibbau. Thamanun, price. Alamun. Not. Alamun is the word, brother. No, alimun will be scholar. If it is alimun, brothers and sisters, if it is alimun, then it will become knowledgeable. Alim, we say. Person with knowledge. Alima. The word alima, to know. Alim, the one who knows. Okay. Shahirun, famous. Al-Azharu, that is the university. La'ibun, player. And Jama is La'ibuna, Jama Mudhakar Salim. Okay. Fil Manami,